Today we'll be presenting about Mashed.mp3, a mobile application that allows users to turn their music preferences and listening history into a digital, constantly evolving art piece. And it's also something that they can share with their friends by making either an individual or a group visualization and representation of their music. Hi, my name's Camelia Pastor, and I'm a part of the Mashed team. I'm majoring in computer science and minoring in PPE, which is political science, philosophy, and economics. Outside of programming, I love running, working out, and spending time in nature. I'm very interested in fashion and graphic design, and of course, music as well.
Hi everyone, my name is Samya Khanna. I'm currently a senior in computer science at Virginia Tech. I love to listen to music and take pictures and do a lot of art. My artistic interests lie in doodling or creating geometric designs and structures such as mandala and Zentangle.
Hi, my name is Maddie. I am also a senior in computer science here at Tech. Some of my interests include drawing, painting, sewing, and just creating in general, like finding new purposes for old things that I have, just reworking things into something new and creative. And that's about it. Our project idea actually originated from a project I proposed early in the semester, which was essentially just an iMessage application meant to make group messaging easier. So just communicating information to a group via polling, voting, using an availability calendar. That was the original idea. From that, we decided we wanted to take a more creative turn, but we definitely wanted to still keep the use of iMessage and the use of bringing together a group through sharing information. However, we decided the information we wanted to share would be something more fun, something the group would find more interest in. So that's how we came up with deciding to share Spotify listening data. And so we decided from that Spotify listening data, we could then process an image or visualization that we could then incorporate into the iMessage application.
So far in our project, we've been able to make some great strides, including registering our mobile application with the Spotify developers so that we can actually use the Spotify API to authenticate users and then be able to pull their account data and their listening history and be able to make the whole process possible. We also have been learning a lot about the processing library and programming language and getting a lot of inspiration from music visualizers and other audio analyses that are already out there, because processing is a very visual language and it's really great for that. So we've been very lucky to have those resources as a base as we begin building our own version of that and something that can incorporate a large library of music and be able to make it into one art piece.
This project has been a learning experience for all of us since we did not work with iOS development, Spotify, and processing music data at the same time before. We were able to realize that we could not get user information through iMessage that could lead us to the Spotify playlists and the data that we need for processing. We had to move the bulk of our programming and processing to the application instead of the iMessage extension. We decided to allow users to select multiple participants to include in the visualization through the application and then simply export the visualization to the chat on iMessage. Our project is interdisciplinary since it combines engineering, science, and arts. We start off with the music data we receive from Spotify and integrate that into processing, which finally creates our end result, which is the processing visualization. The processing visualization is definitely a piece of art since it expresses the music tastes of users across their time on Spotify and also shows how each user has contributed to that specific visualization. This is a great way to see the cohesion and the team dynamics of a group of friends or colleagues or anyone in a group chat.
It's been a wonderful experience getting to work on this application so far. Even though we're not done yet, and we're going to continue trekking through the semester and trying to make this vision into a fully realized application, it's been really amazing getting to learn so many new technologies that we weren't exposed to previously in our semesters at Tech, and getting to make something that's fun, pretty, and really usable. So thank you for listening to our presentation, and that has been all for Mashed.mp3.